I will tell you why humans dream and what these dreams mean. And is it necessary for them to occur or not? Humans dream because dreaming is a natural function of the brain that occurs mostly during REM, rapid eye movement sleep. The exact purpose of dreams is still debated, but scientists believe they serve several important functions. 1. Memory processing. Dreams help organize and store memories from the day. The brain consolidates experiences and learning while dreaming. 2. Emotional regulation. Dreams allow us to process emotions, especially stress, anxiety, or trauma. Nightmares can sometimes help us confront fears safely. 3. Problem solving. While dreaming, the brain can make creative connections and solve problems unconsciously. Some scientific discoveries and artistic ideas have been inspired by dreams. 4. Brain cleanup. Sleep, including dreaming phases, helps the brain clear out toxins and maintain cognitive function. 5. Simulation and preparation. Dreams may act as a rehearsal for real-life challenges, allowing the brain to simulate threats or social situations. Evolutionarily, this could help humans practice survival strategies safely. In short, dreams are the brain's way of learning, processing emotions, problem-solving, and keeping itself healthy, even if sometimes the dream seems totally random or bizarre. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel.